Hello! In this video we're going to make a storage bag. The storage bag can be used to keep your amigurumi, yarn, plants or even fruits and vegetables in your pantry. For this project you're going to need Hoooked Zpagetti t-shirt yarn in the color of your choice and a 9 or 10 mm crochet hook. Important notes about the pattern. The storage bag is worked in a continuous spiral, always working in the back loop only of the stitches. Let's get started with round 1. With the yarn and the hook, we're going to make a magic loop. You're going to wrap the yarn around your fingers, making an X at the back. Grab the hook, insert it in the right top arm of the cross, grab the yarn and make a loop. You're now going to grab the yarn that comes from the skein and pass it through the loop. Unravel this part and you've just made a magic loop. We're going to make 8 double crochet stitches inside the magic loop. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through. You have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Grab the yarn and pull through again. Continue until you have 8 total stitches. Once you've completed round 1, you can pull through the yarn end and close your magic loop. In round 2, we're going to start increasing our base, which means we're going to add more stitches to each round. Remember, we're not going to work through the complete stitch, but through the back loop only. So in the first stitch, we're going to make 2 double crochet. This is our first increase. You're going to repeat for each stitch of the first round. At the end of round 2, you should have 16 stitches. I have now completed round 2 and have 16 stitches. For round 3, we're going to make 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, keeping up all around until you have 24 stitches. Remember, always in the back loop only. So 1 double crochet in the first stitch, followed by 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and you're going to repeat this sequence all around until you have 24 stitches. Once you've completed round 3, you should have 24 stitches. Now simply follow the pattern until round 7 to finish the increased rounds. At the end of round 7, you will have 56 stitches. If you prefer a smaller or even larger bag, just reduce or continue working increased rounds. This way you can customize the storage bag to your needs. Once you've finished the base of your storage bag, you're going to start doing 1 double crochet in each stitch to start building the height of your storage bag. So no more increased rounds, only 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch. You can continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch to see your bag start to rise. Again, this is another part where you can customize your storage bag by adding or removing rounds of double crochet only. This will make your bag either taller or shorter than the pattern. Continue following the pattern or adjusting until round 12. Once you've completed the rounds of double crochet only and reached the height you desire, we're going to start decreasing the storage bag. So I'm following the pattern, so I went all the way up to round 12, and now on round 13 I'm going to start decreasing. I'm going to do 5 double crochet and then double crochet 2 stitches together. So let's start. Remember, always working in the back loop only. So 1, wait, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to double crochet 2 stitches together, which is basically a decrease. So I'm going to insert my hook in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, insert my hook in the second stitch, yarn over, pull through. I now have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through the 3. So basically, you see, I turned 2 stitches into 1, and I'm going to repeat this sequence all the way around. So you're going to continue following the pattern for the decrease rounds, so the bag can start closing up a little bit. Decreases will go until round 15 if you're following the pattern. After completing the decrease rounds, your storage bag is starting to look like this. Now we need to do a couple more rounds to finish off. So once you're done with the decreases, we're going to do 1 round with 1 double crochet in each stitch. So remember, always in the back loop, we're going to do 1 double crochet in each stitch. For the last round of the storage bag, we're going to do 1 slip stitch in each of the stitches. So for the slip stitch, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop on your hook. That's a slip stitch. And we're going to do that in each of the stitches. This will create an edge that's a bit different than the rest of the bag. And we're going to do this all around the storage bag. Once you've finished your last round of the storage bag, do not fasten off right away. We're going to make a handle so that you can hang your storage bag in your home. So to make the handle, we're going to chain 10. So 1, 2, 10. You could also make more chains if you wanted a larger hoop to hang. So now what we need to do is join back our loop to the storage bag, and you can decide if you rather join it back in the same stitch, a bit to the left to create a larger opening. It's your choice where you're going to join. To join, just insert your hook in the stitch where you're joining, I'm choosing the stitch next to where it started. I insert my hook, yarn over and do a slip stitch to secure. Now I need to take some scissors, cut the yarn, pull the loop, and I've just finished my storage bag. Last step is to weave in this yarn end inside the bag to hide it. So I'm going to do like this, and you have it, your storage bag. Like I said in the beginning, you can use it to storage yarn, amigurumi, plants, like a base cover for example, or you can use it for your kitchen, for vegetables, for fruits, for anything you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I can't wait to see your storage bag. Thank you for watching.